I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring fundamentals are already met. Apple Watch has power, iPhone updated, and Bluetooth active. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. Hold the watch close so the camera can scan the animated pattern. Once the watch and phone detect each other, follow the on-screen prompts to pair. This establishes the secure link used to forward notifications and messages. Make sure you keep devices near and connected during the initial handshake, so settings sync cleanly. Once paired, configure message behavior so your Apple Watch receives texts the way you want. In the Watch app, open My Watch, then Messages. Select Mirror My iPhone for identical behavior or custom to tailor replies and alert styles. Next, verify notifications for messages are enabled on the iPhone so banners and sounds are forwarded. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus modes won't silence the watch. If you want conversation history on both devices, enable iCloud messages on your iPhone to keep messages synchronized across Apple ID. Finish by testing. Send a message to your own number and reply from the watch. Make sure the iPhone shows the reply in Messages. If messages don't appear, first ensure both devices use the same Apple ID and that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. Then restart both devices to refresh connections. If issues persist, unpairing and repairing the watch often clears stubborn sync faults. This restores from backup and usually resolves message forwarding problems, so try it as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.